It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai. It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai. Welcome to Vusi and Vimbai's corner.
Hey superstars, Moroi, Salibonani.
Welcome to Vusi and Vimbai's corner.
I'm Vusi from Bulawayo, the city of kings, Gontutu.
And I'm Vimbai, born and raised in the Sunshine City. If you know, you know.
Together, we're here to test
how well you know our beautiful
Zimbabwe. So, get ready to shout out those answers.
Special shout out to Savannah. Thank you for the brilliant idea.
Question number 1. What is the capital city of Zimbabwe? Harare. That's right, the beautiful Sunshine City.
What is Zimbabwe's national flower? Flame lily. Beautiful, bright, and orange, just like the Zimbabwean spirit.
Wonderful. Which language is one of Zimbabwe's 16 official languages? Venda. Yes, Zimbabwe has 16 official languages and Venda is one of them.
Wow! What is the name of Zimbabwe's biggest man-made lake? Lake Kariba. It's one of the largest man-made lakes in the world.
What is the name of the famous rocks featured on Zimbabwe's old banknotes? Epworth balancing rocks. They are also called Chiremba balancing rocks. That's it for today, guys. I hope you got 5 out of 5.
If you didn't, that's okay. Stay curious, stay proud, and keep shining, my fellow Zimbabweans.
See you next time for more Zimbabwe fun facts on Vusi and Vimbai's corner.
Bye!
It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai. It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai.